Is your baby's weight not increasing as expected? Watch till the end to discover the best foods for healthy weight gain. A healthy weight gain starts with the right nutrition. After 6 months, babies need more than just milk. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and calories. Bananas are great for energy and weight gain. Sweet potatoes provide vitamins and healthy carbs. Full-fat yogurt supports healthy growth. Egg yolk contains important nutrients for babies. Oatmeal is gentle and nutritious. Peanut butter powder can add extra calories safely. Offer a variety of foods every day. Avoid sugary and processed foods. Small frequent meals work better for babies. Track your baby's growth regularly. Every baby grows at a different pace. Consult your pediatrician if you are concerned. Which food does your baby like the most? Let us know in the comments.